In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to HubSpot. We'll walk through the full process step by step so you can confidently connect your website domain and have your HubSpot content live on your own URL. Before you start, make sure you already own a domain from a provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare, and that you can log into that account in another tab. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look at the top toolbar and find the small gear icon, which opens your settings. Go ahead and click that. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation panel. Look for the section called Tools. Under Tools, click on Content to expand it, and then select Domains and URLs. This is where you manage which domains are connected to HubSpot. Inside the Domains and URLs area, look for a button or link that says Connect Hosting Domain and click it. HubSpot will ask you for the domain you want to connect, so carefully type in your domain name. When you're done, look to the bottom right and click Next. You'll now see options to set up automatic redirects. Here you can choose whether to enable or disable automatic redirect, and in some cases you may be able to enter a redirect from URL. This is useful if you want visitors from one address to automatically go to another. Once you've chosen your preferred settings, click Next again at the bottom right. The page may reload and take a little while, so don't worry if it doesn't change immediately. After the page reloads, scroll down and you'll see the DNS records that HubSpot needs you to add in your domain registrar. You'll typically see a CNAME record, possibly an A record, and a verification TXT record. These records tell your domain where to point and let HubSpot verify that you own it. Now, switch over to your domain registrar, like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare, and add each of these DNS records exactly as shown in HubSpot. When you've finished adding them, go back to HubSpot and click Verify at the bottom right. DNS changes can take time to propagate, from a few minutes up to 24 hours, so don't be alarmed if it's not instant. Once your domain is verified, HubSpot will automatically provision SSL certificates so your site loads securely over HTTPS. In most cases, you don't need to do any extra setup for this, and that's it. Your domain is now connected to HubSpot and ready to use.